So as per ISO 45001, hazard is a source with a potential to cause harm or hazardous situation. So it is basically a source that can cause and harm. So hazard can be a various type. It can be a temperature hazard, it can be chemical hazard, it can be hazard due to fire. Anything of this sort is possible. Anything or any source that has the potential to cause harm is known as hazard. As per OSHA Publication 3073, the hazardous location is defined as the locations or areas where the flammable liquids, gas or vapors or combustible dusts exist in sufficient quantity to produce an explosion or fire. In hazardous location, specially designed equipments and special installation techniques must be used to protect against the explosive and flammable potential of these substances. So hazardous area is basically the area where the presence of flammable liquid, gas, vapor or dusts may cause explosion or fire, and the electrical equipments that are installed in this area should be specially designed to reduce the chance of fire or explosion in the hazardous area. As per IEC or CEC, as per NEC and CEC, this hazardous area is defined a little bit differently, but the main concept is the same. This is the area where potential hazard may exist under normal condition or abnormal condition because of the presence of flammable gas or vapors or combustible dust or ignitable fires or fibers or flames. So here the difference between the last definition and this definition is the term that the potential hazard may exist under normal condition or abnormal condition. Abnormal condition, or you can say the fault condition, basically. Fault condition, when there is an equipment and the equipment is working normally, there may be any hazard or may not be any hazard, but there may be situations also where the equipment is in fault condition. When maybe there is a short circuit or maybe an open circuit or accidental grounding of the cable. So these are the abnormal condition, or rather the fault condition. So a equipment which is not causing any ignition or spark under normal condition may cause ignition or spark in the abnormal or fault condition. So if the spark happens and if there is sufficient oxygen and fuel available at the same time, so it will cause a fire.